Hi, welcome to the lesson. We're reviewing grade 4 math home learning activities, week 2, day 4. And in this video, we're going to be talking about comparing fractions. So we've seen problems like this before. They've given us 1/2, and using the digits 1 to 9 at most once each time, that's key, at most once each time, they want us to come up with two fractions, one that's less than 1/2 and one that's greater than 1/2. Okay, so if we think about it's again, it's useful to have some sort of sketch. If we think about our fractions, 1/2, really any fraction that is with a denominator greater than 2, one of those is going to be less than 1/2 because the larger our the number in our denominator, the smaller the pieces. So one of those pieces is going to be smaller. Because we can't use 1 because we already have it in the problem. Oh, what am I doing? Where am I? Okay, they're back. We already have 1 in the problem. We already have 2 in the problem. So what are we going to do next? Well, 2/3 is going to be too big, so we've got to think about another. We have to think about a larger fraction, and I'm going to go all the way to 9 because that is the largest denominator I can have here. And let's see, how many ninths can I have that's still going to be less than 1/2? I can have up to 4 ninths. If I go to 5 ninths, that's greater than 1/2. But I can have up to 4 ninths, that's going to be less than 1/2. So that's actually two options. I could go with 4 ninths for less than 1/2 and 5 ninths for greater than 1/2. I'm going to go ahead and 4 ninths for less than 1/2 though. So I've got that. I'm going to make a different model for my greater than. So let's see. I tried eighths or ninths. Let's try eighths and see what we can do with that. I need, let's see, I've got 5 ninths already. If I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 eighths is going to be equal to 1/2. I don't want equal though. If I do 5 eighths, that's more than 1/2. And if I think about it, that makes sense because I know 4 eighths is equal to 1/2. So those are two options in this problem. There are actually lots of other options that you could do, but certainly 4 ninths is going to be less than 1/2. I can move that into place. There we go. And 5 eighths is going to be greater than 1/2. So, but what I would encourage you to do is to come up with some different options for what would be greater than or less than 1/2. And once you've done that, let's see if we can challenge you a little bit and try going with, instead of halves, do thirds. So what are fractions that are less than 1/3, and what's a fraction that's greater than 1/3? Again, sticking with a rule of using the digits 1 to 9 at most once each time. Okay. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or your homeroom teacher, and I appreciate you coming to the lesson.